Hey guys, do you have any issues with Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone? In order to troubleshoot this, you need to make sure you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled in the first place. So the first thing I would recommend doing is wiping down from the top right corner and right under focus. This is where our specific Do Not Disturb mode is settled in at. Just click the Do Not Disturb mode to enable. If this is not set up properly, you can click on Settings and it'll take you straight into your Do Not Disturb mode options. Here, you can configure your Do Not Disturb mode and showcase exactly what is not working and what is working. You can go and allow certain people, allow certain applications, and click on options to have certain applications show on the lock screen, dim lock screen, and hide notification badges. You have a lot of other things you can configure here. If your Do Not Disturb mode is still not working, make your way to the general settings. Click on the software update and just see if you have a software update available. Since iOS 16 just came out, there's a chance where there may have been some glitches or issues. And if there's a software update available, I would recommend going through and updating your phone. There may be a situation where Do Not Disturb mode is completely messed up right now, and Apple will fix it later on, but those are pretty much the first way to troubleshoot in my opinion. So that's it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.